Okay, what's up guys? Today's video, so why you shouldn't keep physical game discs, because well I ran into another issue. So for this like past few months, two games no longer work after a couple of years, maybe 1 to 3 years in storage, and considering that I got them used, so that's a problem. So why physical games why you shouldn't keep physical discs. Okay, so it's not reading. So waste, so it's a lot of money wasted. I have another game like a couple years ago. It was fine. I bought it brand new, but suddenly it stopped working for some reason. So this is not damage. Just few minor scratches, but it's no longer working, unfortunately. So this is a lot of money. 2K14. So it's like 10 years ago. So I think I'll just throw this away. Like there's no hope for this. Right, another unsupported disc. So I'll just throw this away. They're just additional clutter in my house and my head. So yeah. Oh crap. So guys, it's time to move on. It is why digital games are better than physical games. At least with digital, anytime you want to pop it it on, it works. But unless pull it out, no, I don't think so. Because in PlayStation, when you download it, it's already all yours forever, I guess, unless it's on the PS Plus. But unfortunately, it is what it is. Oh, looks like it ran. Ho ho ho! I think a little love tap. But this one, there's a crack here, so I think this is a goner. I'll throw this away. But let's see if GTA 5 works. So it's taking a long time to copy. So that's it. Have a great day. I think it's working now. So see you next video.